Let's make some kitchen sink cookies. I'm starting with a cup of butter, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Let's mix these together. Add in 2 eggs. Okay, I have 2 1/4 cups of flour. In the flour, I have 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we are gonna pour this and mix it in. Let's add our vanilla, 2 teaspoons. Let's scrape the side down, or the side of the bowl down. Now I'm gonna do my add-ins. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of toasted walnut, 1/2 cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup butterscotch, 1/2 cup of shredded coconut, and 1/2 cup of raisins and cranberries, 3/4 cups of milk chocolate, and 3/4 cups of plantain chips, salted plantain chips. We're gonna mix them all together. Let's portion out our cookies. So I'm using my 3 tablespoon scoop. These are going to be bigger than average cookies.
Oopsies.
Let's weigh these for uniformity.
All right. $94. All right, that's a little too much. already turning and then maybe something off of it.
I am going to put these into the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then they will go into the oven. So here are my cookies. I did not record how I garnished the top, but I used plantain chips and chocolate chips and garnish the cookies as soon as they came out of the oven. So I had totally forgotten about recording that part of it. But this is what they look like, and I can tell you they are really good. Thank you for watching. Bye.